And as you can see, we are in the chapter 3 at the moment, with financial policy. The financial policy followed by tariffs policy, licensing. Now, the financial policy, as you can read in this slide.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here and you like about tech gadgets and apps, well, you are in the right place, so subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a video from PowerPoint. It is super easy to make and suitable for teachers, lecturers, educators, and even for students to make their presentation. So here we go. First of all, open a PowerPoint slide that you wish to make your video. Go to the above and select slideshow and click on the record slideshow. Here you can see a record from the current slide where you record on your current slide that is displaying on your screens. And the second one is record from the beginning, which is the beginning of your slide that you have chosen. Now click on the record from beginning and it will show exactly like this one. Before anything, hit the record button at the above. Below here is your camera, your webcam. You can turn it off if you want. The microphone also, you can choose to turn it off and turn it on. You can choose any colors you like and select the pen or the marker to get an interactive features like this one. It is more comfortable if you are using a mouse. You can also change the slide during this process. However, please finish your lecture on the first slide before getting on the other one. This is the eraser. You can erase the things that you have drew on the slide. Now it's time to save your video. Click on File, find Export, click on Create a Video, and just make sure it's full HD and just click on the Create Video button. And give it a name, and where do you want to save it? Just put the desktop here. And there you go. It is saving your video. You can find your video on the destination that you have set to save it. Your finished product.
Hey class, so welcome back to this class again. And as you can see, we are in the chapter 3 at the moment, which is entitled Role of Port Operation Management. Now, first of all, before we get...
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Now if you want more tips about techs, gadgets and apps just like this one, similar with this video, and you need to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything. Until next time.